How to reset Mint password? First of all, open the Mint app or visit the Mint website and make sure you are logged in. Once you are logged in successfully, navigate to your account settings by locating and clicking on the Intuit account option, which you can find in the bottom left corner of the screen. This section holds all the important settings related to your Mint account. Next, in the left sidebar of the account settings page, carefully look for the option labeled Sign in and Security. Then click on it. Within this section, you will find the password option, which is where you can update or reset your account password to enhance your security. Click on Password and the system will prompt you to enter your new password. This is where you get to choose a fresh and secure password that will protect your Mint account from unauthorized access. When creating your new password, make sure it is strong and secure by including at least 8 characters, combining uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and special symbols. A strong password is key to keeping your financial data safe. After entering your new password, confirm it by typing the same password again to reset your Mint password. Finally, once you have confirmed your new password, click on the Save button to apply the changes. This will update your password, and from now on, you will need to use this new password to log into your Mint account. And that's it. Now you know how to reset Mint password. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.